when blue light of wavelength 462 nanometers falls on a single slit, the first dark bands on either side are separated by 43 degrees. So this angle from here to here is 43 degrees, right? So the angle from here to here, that theta is 43 divided by 2. Is that 21.5 degrees? I feel like I need to do that, right? Because I need a right triangle in here. Okay. It's the first dark bands. Determine the width of the slit. I think we can do it. All right. So we can say d sine theta equals n lambda. Okay. D, and so d is what we're trying to find. So d times 20 sine of 21.5 is equal to 1 times 462 times 10 to the minus 9th meters. All right, I think we've got this. It's just going to be this times this divided by this. Okay. 462 e minus 9 divided by sine of 21.5. I'm getting the width of the slit is 1.26 times 10 to the minus 6th meters, which is 1.26 micrometers. Baby. All right. I think we got it.